So see, this is the very important reaction in which we are preparing carboxylic acid from dry ice. Dry ice, what is dry ice? It is a solid CO2. If you see the statement, when Grignard reagent RMgX is reacted with dry ice, this is called dry ice. This is what dry ice. When it is reacted with dry ice, it forms an adduct which on acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. Now see this reaction. If you see this example here, this is a Grignard reagent, and we know this Grignard reagent, this magnesium carried del negative positive and this R group carry del negative charge. And we know also this carbon and oxygen, they are polar in nature. Due to this polarity in nature of this carbon and oxygen, this bond also become somewhat polar, we can say like this. So what will happen? This R, which is a negative charge, this will attack on this carbon, and therefore this bond will shift towards oxygen. So we can write here, see this carbon, double bond oxygen, this new bond form having this group R from Grignard reagent, and there is a bond, right, this oxygen which carry negative charge, and this magnesium and halogen will be in association positive. This is the adduct, and when you add water to this acidified water, so what will happen? This will go and it will take proton. We can write like this. This is nothing but RCOH, carboxylic acid. Okay, this is nothing but the carboxylic acid. We will take example. Let us have a simple CH3 example. CH3 methyl magnesium bromide. This is the Grignard reagent we are using here. Methyl magnesium bromide. And let us take dry ice. Suppose this is what we can write dry ice. So now you have one more idea. What is the hybridization of this carbon? Carbon hybridization is sp. It is sp hybridized. It is sp hybridized because there are only two sigma bonds. There are two sigma bonds. So sigma bonds are two. Therefore, two orbitals will involve in hybridization. S orbital and one p orbital. Remember this. If there are three sigma bonds, so we can say three orbitals will involve. 1s and 2p, like s, p, p, s. This is sp hybridized. Now see, this will attack here. This will open up at carbon. We can write this CH3 like this. And this is open here, and here MgV, Br will be in association. And here we can have carbon. This is the adduct. And when you add acidified water, so simply this become carboxylic acid group. This is called as acetic acid, right? This is called as acetic acid. One more example we will take here. If we are taking here phenyl magnesium bromide, or we can say phenyl magnesium iodide is also okay. To this, if you add, or if we are adding this Grignard to carbon dioxide, so same adduct will form. This phenyl will attack here. This bond opens up at oxygen, and we can write this carbon, and there is a phenyl group now. Double bond oxygen here, single bond oxygen and magnesium iodine in association. To this, if you add acidified water, so we can get this one, and this is nothing but benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid. So this is what about the very important reaction of preparation of carboxylic acid from dry ice and Grignard reagent. Okay, fine.